Welcome. If you want to download pictures or photos from Instagram on your UMIDIGI F1, at first you have to go for the Play Store and download application named Repost for Instagram. We have to get this application from Kimsey929, so let's install. Right now we can open. And as you can see, we are able to download pictures by using these three dots or the share button. So right now let's open our Instagram account. And we are in our profile. And I would like to save maybe this picture. Click here, then tap share and select Repost for Instagram application. Right now we have to go back for this application. And here it is the photo. We can take off this signature by clicking right here. And right now we can save by tapping here to save. And right now we can check the gallery. And as you can see, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.